Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I make my hummingbird juice. I'm going to show you guys how I make my hummingbird juice. So this is a little feeder that I got from the Dollar Tree. Super cute. Let me show you how to open it so you won't be like, what? How you open this thing? So it's not here. This is not where you put the juice in. So you just take that off so that you can unscrew the bottom like so. Flip it upside down, and that's how you add your juice. So for this, we're gonna need, I got this little funnel, spoon, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 cups of warm water. So this is how I make mine. Let me know, what do you guys do? So I'm just gonna pour the sugar inside the warm water like so, and then I'm gonna stir it until the sugar dissolves. And as you can see, that hummingbird feeder is not that big. So any leftover juice that we have, I'm just going to store it in the refrigerator. So as you can see, the sugar is pretty much dissolved at this point. So I'm going to move the spoon, then bring back the feeder, put the funnel inside, and pour away. Hopefully, I got skills and it don't waste. So, I'm dripping a little bit of it. Oh wait, there I go. Look at me getting skilled with it. So I saw some hummingbirds in the area and I was like, I want to feed them. I want to look out the window and see them eating or drinking. So there we go. Now I'm going to take the base, which is really the top. I'm just going to screw it on. It looked like it opened a little bit, but it was $1, you know what I'm saying? Can't expect too much, but I'm gonna just screw it on lightly and then flip it over. Oh, we getting ready to feed the hummingbirds. Then I'm gonna put the little top back on so they can hang from the tree, and there we go, guys. Oh wait, you screwed the top on, you just don't press it on. There we go, screwed it on. Little hang from the tree. Looky, look at this. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to see the hummingbirds eat from it. I'm just gonna wipe this water up and go put this in the tree, guys. Look at that. I'm so excited. Hopefully I can capture some on video and show you guys. So that's how you make it. And let me show you how much solution is left over. So just a little under the 3. So I'm just gonna cover this. I'm gonna put it in a different container probably so I can cover it and just put it in the refrigerator so that I can have it whenever this run out. Hopefully the juice good and they'll keep coming to the yard. Thanks guys so much for watching. Please let me know how you make yours down below. Would love to know. Have a good one. Bye.